The sky was cracked, the sun stood still, but in the glow I saw your face, and every star bent back to gray. I heard your voice across the fire, a thread that pulled me from the mire. We built a song from scattered stone, and found in silence we were home. Golden light on Chloe shines across the roots, across the pines. We are the fire, we are the rain, born of silver, healed from pain. Golden light, don't fade away, guide us home, we're here to stay. I was a shadow lost and wide, I was the echo you could hide. You reached for me when all was gone, and gave me back a tribal song. Oh, the mountains heard, the rivers knew, the golden light would carry through. We rise again from stone and flame, and sing the sky back into name. Golden light on Chloe shines through the haze and ancient signs. We are the dream, we are the flame, calling each other by true name. Golden light, don't drift away, we're the dawn that breaks the gray. Golden light on Chloe's stay.